Hi, I'm Bailey Salcida, and I was assigned the poem The Eagle by Alfred Tennyson. He clasps the crag with crooked hands, close to the sun and lonely lands. Ringed with the azure world, he stands. The wrinkled sea beneath him crawls. He watches from his mountain walls, and like a thunderbolt, he falls. The author uses many devices to help with the theme. The first one is personification. In the poem, it says, he clasps the crag with crooked hands. By doing this and using personification, the eagle makes the poem more relatable. Eagles do not have hands, but talons. The author believed that we would better understand the poem if he described it in terms as if the eagle was a person. Imagery. The wrinkled sea beneath him crawls. This represents imagery because the reader has no idea where the eagle is beside a cliff. Mentioning it is by the sea gives the reader a vivid image of where the eagle might be. Simile. And like a thunderbolt, he falls. The eagle is being compared to a strike of thunder when the eagle decides to descend down to catch some sort of prey in the sea. Symbolism. The eagle. The eagle symbolizes a sense of freedom and power. It can do whatever it wants when it decides to. Nothing else can decide what it will do, especially people. The theme of this story is nature. It shows how nature works in the wild, and they are not corrupted very often, especially by people. The lesson is that we as humans cannot control everything that happens in the wild or on Earth. Nature has its own way of running things. My view on this poem was that it was easy to read compared to most other poems. The message was easy to see, and I did not have to reread it many times to understand it. It made me realize that we as humans try to control everything even when we shouldn't. It teaches us that there are just some things that cannot be controlled. Thank you.